How do you get somebody out of jail when all the courts are closed during the middle of a pandemic? I was just reviewing the 24-hour report. Domestic violence rates are up. We'd expect it during a shutdown like this when everybody's locked in their house, but just so you know, domestic violence rates are skyrocketing. In most instances, when you're arrested for a charge, that particular charge carries with it a set bond amount. So you're arrested for DUI, you got a $500 bond. If you crash your car into something, that's a $1,000 bond. But with a domestic violence charge, because of the risk of harm to a victim, potentially in the house, the judge wants to see what the police report was to individually assess each case to determine whether it's safe or not to let the person out of jail. When you're booked in on a domestic violence charge, you have to wait to see a judge before you're entitled to a bond. It's a no bond status to start with. Now the judge is going to grant you a monetary value to allow you to get out of jail, but it's also going to come with injunctive restrictions. It restricts you, for one, going back to the house. You're not allowed to go back to the house as a standard condition of release on any domestic violence charge. What do you do in a pandemic? If you're in Florida and you need help with that situation, give me a call or send me a text. A domestic violence charge is no joke. Not only do you have to worry about getting yourself out of jail immediately, you got to worry about the long-term record and your long-term rights to own a firearm. If you have any questions, hit me up with a text message. Take care of yourself in these trying times.